Let's talk about 2026 rate cuts, because the inflation number for the CPI report for November came pretty lower than expected at 2.7 instead of 3.1%, which is very, very bullish for another better odds for rate cuts in 2026, which is very bullish for silver and gold. And they are expected to keep going up in 2026 if things keep kind of going this way. Soybeans keep crashing. There's little to no demand for them, and I want to go over my copper position as well, which is up 15% of credit as well. So if we take a look at gold and silver, they're already pretty close to all-time highs. Silver is basically was at all-time high just the day before, which is not too bad. But as we know, rate cuts are bullish for metals and copper as well. And because we have the low inflation numbers, let's see here, they came at 2.7 instead of 3.1 as expected. This is pretty good news for, I guess, most people, and also for most long positions on gold and silver. And for me, which I have a long position, a short put position on copper, the fundamentals are very, very bullish. It's currently up about 15%, and basically I opened it up when price was near the kind of a few months high, but volatility was also pretty good. So price is low right now, lower, but we are doing pretty well with the theta and the volatility going down. Now, a few notable mentions for volatility increases. We have crude oil, which has a okay volatility, not good enough for me to open a position, and corn as well, actually. So crude oil had a better volatility yesterday. It was actually up closer to the 36 level, which is quite good volatility. Now it kind of went down. And corn is the other one that has an okay volatility, right? So, anything over like 18 and above would have been really good for me. But for now, the only other option we have is silver, which obviously has really high volatility, and I would definitely sell some puts on silver. The only issue is the correlation between silver and copper has been pretty substantial lately, where silver just has bigger swings to either side, but it's been very correlated, so I don't want to have two positions that are too correlated to one another. So I decided to just go with copper at the moment, which had a better volatility, and volatility dropped, which is just working according to plan. For now, silver volatility for it did not drop. So still kind of watching the market, see where we can have a good volatility to take advantage of an opportunity. So we'll see after we close the copper position for whatever it might be, profit or loss, and then go on from there. It's probably my next position is probably only going to be next year, so nothing is gonna be in 2025 anymore. So we'll see how we finish up the year. For now, it's doing pretty well, and I will be happy to finish the year with closer to 26% on the entire portfolio. Thank you again. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you again with a weekly recap tomorrow and a few more updates over the weekend. Thank you again, and I'll catch you in the next one.